we are celebrating World Oceans Day, an international and global celebration of our oceans. And Frost Science, being in downtown Miami, so close to the bay and having an aquarium, our way of celebrating is definitely bringing the science up to our guests and introducing them to how important it is to keep and take care of our oceans. We are having lionfish dissections throughout the day. We're also diving into what are microplastics and what we can do about them.
And why some of them actually have 3 hearts. These hermit crabs here.
We're also having a marine safety station in conjunction with the Poison Control Center Miami.
Today we've been talking about marine fish poisonings and fish stings because we're on the beach a lot, and it's been a great opportunity to educate people.
We also have local artist Kerry Phillips on site, and she's taking non-recyclables and making art of them. Right here at Museum Park, we have the Lionfish Derby. So we have different teams competing, catching lionfish, and this is an opportunity to really highlight how invasive lionfish are and what we can do about it. And then also we have our new Opulent Oceans exhibition throughout the museum.